Sabi niya, question 1. How will you inspire the younger generation? May nagtanong dito sa IG Live. How will you inspire the younger generation?
Si Katria.
Ikaw ba walang sasagot or ako?
Ikaw. Tama yung sinabi mo. Well, I will echo her,
May
her
answer?
statement earlier na, if you wanna, inaantok na.
Iwana.
If you wanna, parang amplify something or promote something or advocate for something, then be one, be a role model, di ba?
Exactly the point.
How will a person listen to you? Kahit yung younger brother, siblings mo lang. You have to be someone na nakikita nilang ginagawa din kung ano man yung gusto mong i-implement. Be one, be parang be the person you wish to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi, ganon.
For me kasi, since, the question is all about inspiring younger generations, we have to maximize our abilities and maximize our resources. How? Ngayon kasi, yung younger generation, assuming that the premise and the parameter is from the age of 10
May parameters.
to 15, for example. So, from the age of 10 to 15, they are starting to decipher and to figure out themselves. Right? What do I want? What do I want to be in the future? So if you are inspiring these people, what do they always have in their hands is their phones or are their phones. Tama? So,
maximize the
and then, based on the studies and analytics I'm seeing recently, people tend to get bored watching a lot or longer videos.
long form.
Or long forms of learning. So if you're gonna cut it short and then make it much easier to access, because number one, if you're watching videos that are longer, requires higher amount of data. Second, you get bored. So if it's short, lesser data consumption, and then second as well, or next is, these people tend to absorb it fast. Kasi quick lang. Mabilis lang. So, may tatatak sa kanyang one-liner, may tatatak sa kanyang isang sentence. So, parang, simply about this topic, alam na niya agad. So, siya, as a human being, okay, yun pala yun. So, at least, yung mga ganun na access niya. Say, for example, if I am that person, I know who my audience are, I think that's how am I gonna do it. So, I can let them easily absorb it and know what I have been through and share my life experiences as well. Which is what I'm already doing right now. I'm already uploading in medyo longer nga lang ako mag-upload.